Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of December. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Capricorns. Okay, so we have the Four of Cups, the Two of Wands, okay, Seven of Swords, Six of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, excuse me, Ten of Wands, okay, the Ace of Cups, the Sun, good, and the King of Wands. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for Capricorns. Okay, so we have the Seven of Clubs, the Magician, the Death and Rebirth, which is the Four of Spades. Okay, guidance from the angels. Okay, so we have the Four of Cups, the Two of Wands, and the Seven of Swords. So definitely you are disinterested in something, feeling really very upset. And here you are waiting for something also. With the Two of Wands, you are waiting and ready to start some journey or something in your life, but you are waiting for the right opportunity, perhaps. But here you are upset. Maybe you are not able to see the right opportunity because you are too focused on the past. You are not able to understand or realize what life is offering you. Maybe that is why you are not able to move to this new path and you're waiting. Maybe the waiting is because of the fact that you're not able to see or perceive what actually life is offering you because you are really upset or too focused on what you have. But here we have the Seven of Swords, the Six of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, and the Ten of Wands. What I feel here is that some cheating is happening over here in your life. Somebody is either leaking some sort of information, somebody is either cheating on you, somebody is holding back the information from you, or somebody is hiding something. So somebody is sneaky over here. Okay. Some sort of deception is happening. If it is a relationship, then in this relationship or whatever the situation is in your life. Okay. And what I feel here is that because of this situation, you are really upset. That is what is upsetting you here with the Four of Cups. Though you want to make a move, but what I feel here is that you are not able to move ahead. You have the resources, you are well equipped. But the thing is, you are not able to make a move. Things are just not happening because behind the scenes, a lot of activity is going on. Some sort of cheating, lies, deception, or somebody is hiding something from you is going on in your life. And because of that things are not moving, even if you know that your approach is right, you know your motive is right, you know you are well equipped, you know you have everything right, but still things are just not moving ahead because of this reason that you some cheating is going on behind the back which you are not aware of, and even if you are aware of, you are not able to catch hold of that situation or prevent it. And here with the Queen of Pentacles and the Ten of Wands, what I feel here is definitely you're just thinking about how to get rid of this situation or how to deal with this situation. So what I feel is you want to unburden yourself with this situation. With the Ten of Wands, whatever this is, you really want to leave this situation actually. Okay, so if it is a relationship or whatever the situation is, you really want to unburden yourself, you want to get rid of the situation, and you are thinking of the ways as to what to do. And once there was a happy time, that is what you thought, things were okay perhaps before at some point in time, but now they are not that way, and you are turning your back towards this situation, from this situation towards something different or something new. You know that somebody is cheating you and you're turning your back towards that person or that situation. Okay, I think you know it, because here with the Queen of Pentacles, what I see here is that you are thinking on how to move or how to plan or how to get this situation, how to unburden yourself from this situation. That's what I feel, that you are feeling that, yeah, you're just thinking here that okay, things were okay, things were fine, and at one point in time things were okay, and now things are just not happening. So it's better for me to leave this situation, walk away from this situation and unburden myself. And that is what you are doing, and the moment you are able to do it, here we have the Ace of Cups, the Sun. Definitely a lot of emotional happiness and lot of happiness in every sphere of your life. So what I feel is once you are able to leave this situation, whatever the situation is, which may have been happy at some point in time, but right now it is just not happening. So you have to leave the situation, and only then you will be able to get that emotional fulfillment and happiness. And here with the King of Wands, what I feel here is you are definitely taking back the control of your life over here with the King of Wands. That is what I feel. So you have sort of earned that happiness, you have left that situation, earned that happiness for yourself, and you are taking back the control of your life over here with the King of Wands. Feeling very good about yourself, very attractive about yourself, and very confident about yourself. Back in control. And here with the excuse me, with the Seven of Clubs, Magician, and the Death and the Rebirth, which is the Four of Spades, what I feel here is it's quite a struggle. What this situation has become a struggle for you. Whatever this situation is, it's becoming a struggle for you. If it is a partner with whom you are dealing with, then this situation, carrying on this situation for longer time or carrying it anymore, is becoming a burden for you. It is becoming a struggle for you. Maybe there are fights, maybe you, even if you have tried to convince them or made them remind of the good old times, that okay, things were okay, why don't we just leave the situation and be okay so that we can move ahead in the life together. Maybe it had that conversations and those things of trying to convince the other person, if it is regarding some person you are dealing with, then maybe that is becoming a struggle. But in fact this situation is becoming a struggle, and this situation is ending, and with the Magician there are new beginnings coming in. So definitely whatever this situation is, you are unburdening yourself, and it has to be that way. It has to die out. Okay, it has to die out. Okay, you won't be able to resist it also, and you really have new beginnings and a lot of happiness coming in. The guidance from the angels, number 15 or number 6 may be of some significance for you. Choose freedom. Sometimes you may feel as though your way is blocked, but often that is just an illusion. Here, if you feel that your way is blocked and you can't move ahead, it is just an illusion. You can keep this aside and see the road ahead. It is very clear and you can move ahead. Okay, you could free yourself from the obstacles that are so focused on by choosing a different path. Turn your thoughts away from negativity and instead envision endless other possibilities you might act upon. So that is what it is. You just need to leave whatever you are dealing with. Ultimately it will die by itself, because with the Death and the Magician, I think happiness has to come in your life, and for that you have to leave this situation, whatever the situation is, because it is not going to come to fruition at any point, in any situation. So Capricorns, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.